In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of this 3-in-1 wireless charger for iPhone, AirPods, and the Apple Watch, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I am taking a quick look and unboxing and testing out this wireless charging stand, which is a Qi-enabled wireless charging stand. I got this for my iOS devices because you can charge multiple devices at once. Here they show like an iPhone, an Apple Watch, AirPods, all of which I have all of these. I don't have the wireless AirPods, but I don't think these are for wireless. So we'll take a look at this. The company's name is, I don't know how to pronounce this. It's AQHQUA, and that's the seller name on Amazon, or the company on Amazon that sells this. And yeah, basically just looking to have kind of an all-in-one little station at my desk so that I can charge my devices. So we'll take a look. So it looks to be all right, so what do you get in here? So you have a little user manual that comes with this. And I guess they call it detachable because you can take off the arm that the Apple Watch fits on. So the way that this does work is basically you have the Qi wireless charger area for your phone to kind of sit in the dock. And you get the watch charging bracket, but you do need to use your own Apple Watch wireless charger. So you have to install your own, and you kind of wind the cord back down and plug it in. And then there's the earbuds charging area, and it's powered by a Type-C cable. So they give you a Type-C USB cable, but you also need to plug it in yourself. So it doesn't come with a wall adapter. You basically plug this into an adapter, either something that your iPhone came with or other device, and then you can plug that into this, and then you hook it all up and it should work. So let's take a look at the different pieces here. So the way that this works is this is the fast charge portion for the phone. And then this is the base. And this is like a kind of like a matte, soft touch material. Kind of feels rubbery, but not really rubbery. I misspoke earlier in the video when I said that it does not charge the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil just is placed to stick it, which I guess is debatable on how useful that is for you. But you can see that this does have the lightning connector for the AirPods to fit into. And then, so we'll just kind of stick this together. So it just snaps together pretty easily. So it kind of snaps together like that. And as you can see, your watch would sit up here, AirPods down there, phone here. And then on the back side, it also has, so that's the USB-C input. This is the USB-C output for the Apple Watch. So let me just really quickly hook this all up. So as you can see, the Apple Watch charger just kind of fits in right there. And they give you a little channel to run the wire down. So you can see here, the wire just will kind of run down the side and out the back. So the problem is with this typically is that these Apple Watch These Apple Watch charging cables are like super long. So pretend that this goes off the back of the desk and, you know, is not all hanging here. Because you'll have to kind of do some cable management to kind of hide that. So if we assume, if we assume that this is all here now, all right, so it's plugged in. Have my iPhone XS Max. It's 100% charged, but it did buzz, so it started charging. So the iPhone is charging. Got my AirPods 2nd generation without the wireless charger, just the normal lightning charging thing, and that just plugs in there. Then I've got my 2nd gen stainless steel Apple Watch, and it just kind of fits like that. Yep, and so that's charging also. So basically that's how it all works, right? So now you can, at your desk, basically have your phone charging, your AirPods charging, and your Apple Watch charging all at the same time, which is actually pretty cool. This is a compact way to do it. Looks very nice. And then if you want to store your Apple Pencil, there's a place to store it. Okay, as I said, it does not charge, but it's just a place to kind of put the Apple Pencil. Now, it would be cool if they made this a 4-in-1 charger and actually put a female lightning adapter at the bottom that you can actually then charge the pen. But long story short, that's fine. So if you're interested in taking a look at this, again, I will put the links in the description below. You can get this off of Amazon. And I think it's a great thing to have on my desk, right? So, you know, this is a good way to charge all my kind of everyday Apple devices. So charge the phone, the watch, and my AirPods all at the same time using one connection to the wall. Just a single USB-C charging cable, and you can charge all your devices. This is Andrew from Tia's for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.